Have you ever wondered how computer science has evolved over the years? Let's take a step back in time to the dawn of this revolutionary field. The roots of computer science can be traced back to the early 19th century, with the creation of the first mechanical computers. This was a time when machines were powered by steam, and computations were performed using gears and levers. Among the pioneers of this era, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace stand out. Babbage, often known as the father of the computer, conceived the idea of a programmable machine, his analytical engine. Lovelace, on the other hand, foresaw the potential of such machines beyond mere calculations. She wrote what is often considered the first algorithm intended for processing by a machine, making her the first programmer. The birth of binary code further laid the foundation for modern computing. Thus began the fascinating journey of computer science, a field destined to change the world. The mid-20th century marked a significant shift in computer science. It was a time when the world bid farewell to cumbersome mechanical computers and embraced the era of electronic computing. The invention of the transistor in the late 1940s was a game-changer. It replaced the vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. Around the same time, we saw the birth of programming languages. Binary code evolved into assembly language, which later paved the way for high-level languages like Fortran. These languages opened up new horizons, making computer programming more accessible and efficient. In this transformative period, we cannot overlook the contributions of individuals like Alan Turing and John von Neumann. Turing, often hailed as the father of modern computing, laid the theoretical foundations of computer science. Meanwhile, von Neumann's architectural design is still at the heart of most computers today. This era laid the groundwork for the technological revolution that was to follow. As we moved into the late 20th century, computer science took a quantum leap forward. Suddenly, computers weren't just room-sized machines for academics and corporations. They became personal, accessible, and integral to everyday life. This was the era of the personal computer revolution, sparked by visionaries like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Their companies, Microsoft and Apple, brought computing to our homes and offices. Simultaneously, the internet was born. It interconnected the world, creating a global village where information flows freely. Software development also evolved. It transitioned from being a strictly professional field to a hobbyist playground, and then back to a professional discipline, but this time with a twist. It became open to everyone, everywhere. And let's not forget the tech giants of today like Google, who turned the internet into a vast, searchable library. The digital age had arrived, transforming every aspect of our lives. The field of computer science continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate. We stand on the brink of a new era, one shaped by emerging trends such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and blockchain technology. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to mimic human intelligence, is revolutionizing industries and professions from healthcare to finance. Quantum computing, on the other hand, promises to solve complex problems that our current computers can't handle, potentially transforming fields like cryptography, material science, and even climate modeling. Then we have blockchain, a technology that's not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but is poised to provide secure, transparent transactions in various sectors, including supply chain, finance, and healthcare. These technologies are not just reshaping our world, they are redefining what's possible. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the journey of computer science is far from over. From humble beginnings to world-changing innovations, the evolution of computer science is a story of human ingenuity and curiosity. We've journeyed through the dawn of this field, where pioneers laid the foundation for modern computing. We've seen the birth of transformative technologies, each playing a pivotal role in ushering us into the digital age. As we stand on the precipice of the future, we can only imagine the new heights that computer science will reach. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, quantum computing, these are no longer concepts of science fiction, but realities of our time. But with these advancements come new challenges, ethical dilemmas, cybersecurity threats, and the need for digital literacy. Yet the story of computer science is far from over. It's a continuously evolving narrative, driven by our collective curiosity and desire to solve problems, to innovate, and to build a better future. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what the future of computer science holds? Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.